Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use TikTok analytics to improve video. So first things first, you just have to have access to TikTok analytics. You need a business or creator account. You have to open your TikTok, go to your profile, look for creator tools, tap analytics, or if you're using your laptop, then all you have to do is tap on this more option right here. And then you have to look for the TikTok studio. In the TikTok studio, you will see different sections like overview, content, likes, followers, live, it depends. So first, we're going to look for the overview analytics track growth. First, we have here for video views. In the video views, it shows how many people watch your content. So you can use this to see which days you gain the most views, which posting times work best, which videos cause spikes in activity. For profile views, in profile views, or if profile views increase, it means people love your content, your bio and pin videos matter. You need a stronger call to action or CTA. If profile views are high but followers are low, you need to improve your profile and bio. For the likes or follower count, you can watch your weekly growth. If you're not gaining followers, your niche may be unclear. You have to add hook like first 2 seconds, maybe week. You might need more consistent posting. Also, here in TikTok Studio, there is this content analytics to improve each video. So basically, here you can look for the watch time. You can focus on the average time, percentage watch. Basically, high watch time, TikTok pushes your video to for your pages. For low watch time, your hook or pacing is very weak. The goal is to get people to watch at least 50 to 70% of your video. For the traffic sources, it shows where viewers came from for you page, following, profile, search hashtags. What it tells you, if most views come from the For You page, your content is viral friendly. If views come mainly from your profile, your existing audience is watching, but new people aren't discovering you. Also here you can see audience territory, likes, comments, shares, saves. So basically you can use follower analytics to post at the best time. When your followers are online, which days they're most active, you can improve your growth by posting during peak follower hours on days with the highest online activity. So if watch time is low, you can fix by starting with a question, using a bold statement, showing the final result, fast editing, and add captions. If people stop watching, and then you have to improve your cutting, jump cuts, adding transitions, use trending sounds. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.